The digestive system. How our body absorbs nutrients from the food we eat. The digesting process begins at the mouth. Our teeth mechanically break up the food, and salivary analyse begins to break it down. Carbohydrate digestion begins here. The now broken up food is now called bolus. The tongue pushes the bolus down the esophagus, and the epiglottis covers the trachea, so no bolus will enter the lungs. It then passes through the esophageal sphincter into the stomach. The stomach produces gastric juice, which is made of enzymes and hydrochloric acid. The stomach is lined with mucus to prevent cell damage from the juices. Hydrochloric acid activates pepsinogen, which it then combines with to make pepsin. Proteins are now being broken down. It exits through the pyloric sphincter as chyme. The liver produces bile, which emulsifies fat, and the gallbladder stores the bile.
CCK's main function is to contract the gallbladder to squirt bile onto the chyme in the small intestine. Secretin is the enzyme that is released when low pH chyme touches the S cells found in the duodenum. Pepsidase is made in the small intestine's duodenum to snip the dipeptide in half, resulting in an amino acid. Inside the pancreatic juices, you can find maltase, which is made to break down maltose into glucose in the duodenum. Nucleases is an enzyme that breaks down nucleic acids. Lipase breaks down lipids by emulsifying the fat, turning it into a fatty acid that we can use. Trypsin is released in the small intestine. They break down polypeptides into dipeptides and have a slightly basic pH of 8. GIP is a hormone which just essentially shuts down the system from digestion. The small intestine is broken into 3 parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. Inside the small intestine, the villi are small fingers that have smaller villi called microvilli. This is used for max absorption. The large intestine's main purpose is for water absorption, but it also has E. coli that produces vitamin K. The rectum is for storage of feces, and when ready, it exits through the anal sphincter. The appendix is the home of the backup E. coli, and you can